Insta360 has never built a gimbal camera. DJI has owned this category for years. So when their first attempt shows up with two Leica lenses bolted to the front, yeah, I'm getting it. This is the Luna Ultra. Let's see what $900 gets me. Standard combo contents: camera, protective cover, wind guard, quarter 20 threaded handle, wrist strap, that's it, worth knowing before you buy. The other combos change this a lot. The Creator Bundle adds the Mic Pro transmitter and a wide angle lens. The Endurance Bundle swaps in a battery handle. If you're vlogging, the standard box is going to feel thin fast. No SD card in here either, and you don't strictly need one. 47 gigs of internal storage is built in. First thing I noticed, this thing is small. 200 grams give or take. That's a gimbal, two lenses, a screen, and a battery in something that lives in a jacket pocket. Quick context, because it matters. Insta360 didn't launch this at their own event. It launched it at Leica's headquarters in Wetzlar, Germany. That's a flex. It's also the 6th year of a partnership between the two companies and the 5th product they've built together. The headline spec is dual lens setup, a 1-inch 8K main sensor, and a completely separate telephoto module with its own 1/1.3-inch sensor. Nothing in the Osmo Pocket line does that. Build quality is solid. No creak, no flex. The gimbal arm has real damping to it. But this is the party trick. The 2-inch OLED touchscreen comes off, completely off. It becomes a remote monitor and controller for the camera. Insta360 is calling it an industry first. And as far as I can tell on a gimbal camera, that's accurate. Mount the body low, keep the screen in your hand, frame the shot. That solves a real problem. Fast pass on the numbers. 8K at 30 frames with Dolby Vision. 4K at 120 for slow motion. 10-bit iLog if you're grading. 14 stops of dynamic range on the main lens at f1.8. Zoom range goes to 12x with 6x of that claimed lossless. I'm putting a hard asterisk on lossless until I test it, because that usually means crop headroom, not optical reach. And there's a triple chip AI setup driving subject tracking. Insta360 says it's fast enough for sports. We'll find out.
That's the box. First impression, this is a serious first swing at a category Insta360 has never competed in. Real test is next. Low light, tracking, and whether that telephoto lens holds up in the field. Make sure to like if this was helpful and subscribe if I have earned it.